You crawl into a perfectly clean hotel bed and you still feel like your head is underwater the next morning. 3 degrees of skin-to-surface mismatch can do that to slow-wave sleep and decision-grade focus. Welcome to Nomad Life Success. I'm Aria Reyes.
Light.
Quick promise. Tonight you can recover a substantial chunk of slow-wave and protect REM within a single sleep episode if you follow a short, metric-first routine. No fluff. Measure first, then change conduction at the surface.
I'm already picturing people skipping the measurement and blasting the AC.
Exactly. Measurement is step 0. The 3 core metrics I care about are skin temp delta, HRV trends, and a time in slow wave proxy from your wearable. Together, they tell you whether your intervention is helping or harming.
Skin temp delta, meaning skin minus either ambient or your core sensor, right? That delta should drop during pre-sleep.
Yes. For many people, the operational target is a 0.8 to 1.5 degrees Celsius downward trend across the 30 minutes before lights out. HRV should stabilize or rise as you go into deep windows. If skin temp flattens while HRV falls, you need to stop and reassess.
2 quick safety points. Use travel-certified battery-powered pads and shielded connectors so you don't create EMI that confuses the wearable. Compliance isn't fancy, it's functional.
Good call. Now the routine itself, fast and runnable in 30 to 45 minutes. Start with a 10-minute baseline. Wearable on, sit on the bed, log skin temp, HRV, ambient temp, and humidity. That snapshot tells you whether the surface needs cooling, localized heat, or humidity control.
Right, so you don't start by changing the room thermostat. Got it.
Now the core, the thermal envelope sequence. 3 actions, timed. First, a 30-minute cooling ramp on the sleep surface to create that pre-sleep data. Second, a brief localized warm stimulus to the extremities for sleep onset. Think feet or hands for 10 to 20 minutes. Third, passive insulation, a low thermal mattress pad and breathable liners to preserve the slow wave window without chilling the whole room.
Hold on, what about people who freeze easily? If you cool the surface and then warm the extremities, won't some travelers complain they're too cold?
Great question. It's about localized conduction, not ambient freezing. The surface cooling is modest, about 1.0 to 1.5 degrees Celsius, and focused under you. The localized heat is brief and targeted to trigger peripheral vasodilation for faster sleep onset. Then you remove it after 10 to 20 minutes so the cooling drive reasserts. The net is a sharper pre-sleep delta without whole-body chill.
Okay, that timing piece is key. If people leave the heater on all night, they collapse the cooling drive. I've seen that exact mistake.
Exactly. Automation solves that. Timers or an app profile that turns the pad off after the onset window. Next, humidity and surface choice. Aim for 40 to 55% relative humidity. Above 60 makes cooling inefficient and fragments sleep. Use a breathable, moisture-wicking liner to keep skin conductivity predictable.
Quick pushback. The mid-cycle warm return you recommend, doesn't that sound complex for a one-night stay? Timers, mid-cycle changes. Are travelers going to set this up?
Short answer, it's lightweight and worth automating. About 90 minutes after sleep onset, allow a 20-minute surface warming, then return to the cool microclimate. That nudge protects REM consolidation later without destroying your slow wave earlier. Automate it, and it runs without attention. It's a tactical nudge, not a full lab protocol.
Fair. Automation and battery power are the travel enablers. From a compliance angle, the kit needs clear instructions and travel-certified parts so people test it before a critical meeting.
Which brings us to hardware. Thin, high-conductivity travel pads with insulated backing, a low thermal mass mattress topper, moisture-wicking liners, and a compact humidifier or desiccant as needed. Wearables should log skin temp and HRV at 1-minute resolution. We package those items into a carry-on microclimate kit at shop.nomadlifesuccess.com with templates named skintemp.csv, hrv.csv, and stageproxy.csv so you can feed data into your app quickly.
And remember, don't chase one metric. If someone over-prioritizes skin temp and ignores HRV or stage proxy, They'll oscillate and overcorrect. Cross-validate before you change settings.
Let's turn that into a quick, runnable checklist you can execute tonight. 10-minute baseline with wearable, start a 30-minute surface cooling ramp, apply localized heat to extremities for 10 to 20 minutes and remove by timer. Keep passive insulation in place. Schedule the automated 20-minute mid-cycle warm return. Continuously log skin temp delta, HRV, and your stage proxy. If HRV drops or stage fragmentation rises, revert to baseline and rerun the 30-minute test.
Risk flags to watch: overcooling the entire room, unshielded mains pads, and misreading noisy skin temp spikes as core changes. Mitigations: target surface deltas, use travel-certified battery pads, and always cross-check HRV and stage proxy.
That is your high-performance blueprint for today. Treat your biology like your business infrastructure. If your physical stack fails, the business stops. Minimize friction, automate the sequence, and test the kit before critical days.
Structure first, freedom second. Spend 10 minutes tonight and save hours of fog tomorrow. Test it before a meeting. Small investments compound.